Hey you guys, welcome to Abstract Boss. Today I thought I'd bring you guys another coaster set with my alcohol inks. I wanted to do black and gold. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. So, just a quick reminder to have everything ready. I have my heat gun, I have the lids off of my alcohol inks, so that way I can quickly grab whatever color that I need. Make sure you guys have enough alcohol inks pre-mixed if you guys are doing a specific color, because I actually ran out last time and had to make it in the middle, and I don't enjoy doing that. So, I have 4 coasters, and then this 5th one I got at Lowe's as well, and I thought this one would be perfect for like a pitcher to set on, where these are the glasses, you know, and this is for the pitcher. So I thought it worked out well, and let's get to it. So first thing that you want to do is leave that nice thin layer of alcohol ink. I switched up my squirt bottle because the other one was going a little crazy on me, so kind of like this one though. This is nice. Move it around, cover the whole thing. Okay, first thing that I'm gonna do is a completely different method than what I taught you guys last time. Last time I did my colors and then I did my silver. This time you actually want to do both together. So if you notice, I'm on a little bit better of a level surface too, so that gives me a little bit more work time and I don't have to run as quickly, but I'm doing it all together so that way this gold can really extend some more, and both of these are from Pinata Inks. Oh, that looks cool just like that too. Alright, so you can see how that gold really spreads out to the outer edges of wherever you're pushing that ink. Now, I also want you guys to notice something. Where I originally squirt the gold, these little spots are heavy. They're still heavy enough to where they're gonna show through. So don't worry about that gold being hidden. It's gonna come out. The gold definitely finds a way to come out no matter what. So I'm gonna let this one sit for a bit and I'm gonna go to the next ones. I like it! Ooh, and I wanted to tell you guys something today. So in case you don't follow my Facebook page or my Instagram especially, because I post on there all the time. But the big thing about today is it's Monday! Woo woo! And normally a few months ago, or probably about 5 months ago, I hadn't started this yet, and so I would allow my Mondays to be super crappy. Now, personally, I feel like that really sucks. I started listening to Gary Vaynerchuk, and why does Monday have to be the worst day? Just because you're going back to work, I get that, but why make that the dread of every single week? You know, that's really depressing, and it sucks. So I decided to start something that I like to call my Get Shit Done Day. Yep, Get Shit Done Day. And I just did it on Mondays, and then I went from there. So it was kind of mind-blowing to me how much I got done on Mondays. And it wasn't just like, oh, I'm gonna go get groceries again, I'm gonna go do this, this, and this. No, it was a Get Shit Done Day on that, you know, that list. Everybody has that friggin' list. That list that is piling up, that is 10 pages long because you need to do this, and this, and this. Well, that's what I decided to tackle on my Get Shit Done days. And so that's exactly what I do. I tackle that stupid long crazy list that never seems to end. But honestly, I was shocked to find how many things I did get done. And that's what really encouraged me to keep going. I felt like I could breathe because I started with a get shit done day, you know? Like I was able to do the things that I thought I wouldn't be able to get to because my life is so hectic and so busy and yada yada yada, all those excuses that we put in front of it because honestly we're just too damn lazy sometimes. And I thought that this was so perfect. So Get Shit Done Day turned out to be pretty damn amazing for me, and that's exactly what it ended up being. It was my Get Shit Done Day, and I kept going, and I did it, I don't know, probably for about 3 months before I decided to incorporate other days. So, you know, 3 months of just Mondays. And that's about 12 Mondays. And it really worked for me. I think that it was effective. It allowed me to feel accomplished because I didn't feel like such a failure, you know? I got these things done. So I don't know, it was a really big deal for me, and I'm hoping that maybe it helps one of you guys too. Because if you can change the day that you dread the most into a very rewarding and exciting and accomplished day, then imagine what your life is gonna be versus dreading that same day every single week. So that is my challenge for you guys this week, is to try that out. Try a Get Shit Done Day, whether it's Monday or not, just try it out and see what it does for you and let me know what you guys think. Alright, so I don't know what you guys think, but I love watching that gold expand. It just looks so cool. But now I want to add a second layer. You can see kind of what happened when you add that second layer over here because I had a lot of white, so I wanted to cover some of that. But it really helps to show the difference between the amounts of layers and blacks that you can get. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this, and I just want to do a quick squirt this time. I don't want to have the entire layer right over top of my other colors because it is going to interact and affect the others. So you just want to do quick layer, quick, and then squirt, 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 squirt. And heat gun. Alright, I friggin' love it! So, sorry about kicking the camera there. I love this. I personally think that this one is probably done. Okay, look at all that. I might add a little bit right there though. Nope, I'm not gonna fidget yet. Not yet. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit. Sit and then fidget. These two, I love the way they are. I don't really want to add anything to this just yet, but this one and this one I think needs to have just a bit more, so I'm going to go ahead and do those. All right, I feel like there's so much more depth in these now, and I love them. This one I don't feel like has that same amount of depth, so I am gonna do this one again. Just quick. Alright, and that's it for the black and gold. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think on the video, or if you guys would like to have specific colors together, or if you want me to do more of something. I gotta know. So, I hope you guys have an amazing Monday. Don't forget to declare one day a week your Get Shit Done Day, because you deserve it. You deserve to have that week to that day to feel accomplished, and it really could change your life. So give it a try, stick to it for a few months, and let me know what you guys think. Boom! See you next time.